Decentraland, Mana, portrays itself as a computer-generated experience stage in light of Ethereum blockchain. Clients can utilize, adapt, and experience the substance and application subsequently. On the Decentraland stages, Mana tokens can be utilized to buy symbols, wearables, and different things. Further in this video, you will find out about Mana price prediction and Decentraland exchanging examination. This organization was made in 2017 with an underlying symbolic offer of roughly $24 million. Further in this video, you will peruse our Decentraland price prediction 2022 in light of the fact that many have put away their cash by watching this 10x development in only a couple of days. Since gaming on the blockchain is as yet another idea, it is vital to peruse Mana cost gauges from various sources. Land and Mana are the two tokens utilized by Decentraland. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that should be obliterated to get the ERC-721 land tokens, which are non-fungible. Yet, prior to perusing Mana price prediction, it is critical to find out about what the Decentraland metaverse is and the way that it will act from here on out. What is Decentraland? Prior to effective financial planning and perusing Mana cost forecast, we urge you to peruse the most essential stuff about the Mana. Ari Milik, the chief venture pioneer, drives the group Mana. Esteban Ordano is accountable for the innovation region. Decentraland has been around for longer than ordinary. In the year 2015, the crew arrived at their most memorable achievement, Stone Age. A portion of the group's administrations are furnished as a team with DISTRICX0X, Aragon, and Imtikan. Mana is an exceptional organization in the blockchain world, with no critical or direct contenders. Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. Metaverse game tokens stand out in cost climbs. Anybody can play Decentraland on their PC simply by utilizing a program. Individuals can purchase land and other advanced things which can likewise be called NFTs in the game through NFT commercial center like Apencia. The frenzy of Decentraland is expanding consistently on the grounds that colossal groups like Binance, KuCoin, and numerous others are purchasing land in the game and building their own virtual structures to publicize their items and applications. Likewise, the impending game Blocktopia is building a modern metaverse game that will be utilized by brands to publicize in-game standards. As a result of expanding notoriety, we are covering Decentraland price prediction for the impending years. What makes Mana stand? Mana has an ongoing information cost of $0.742542 United States dollars and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $66,708,960 United States dollars. The information is gotten from a specialized investigation and an exhaustive ongoing estimate. Decentraland has acquired 2.90% in the past 24 hours. The ongoing business sector capitalization is at number 76. The ongoing business sector capitalization is $1,349,167,774 United States dollars. There are 1,816,959,291 Mana tokens available for use. This is the ongoing business sector information and peruses our Mana cost forecast on the off chance that you are intending to haul your cash out as well as going to put your cash. Mana could zero in on extending its elements for consistent administrations, and web-based entertainment impacts could help the symbolics development. A typical cost of $1.8 might be assessed eventually. In case of a negative period, the greatest estimated cost could hit $6.89, and the cost could drop to $0.6347. Decentraland price prediction 2022. The start of this current year could see Mana value forecast will be going from $9.95 to $15 if the downtrend of Mana keeps making it more client wonderful. Before the year's over, the token may be valued at $7.526 or more. Mana price forecast 2023. The mana cost figure for the given year may be just about as high as $19.1 United States dollars at the most elevated level and as low as $8.546 United States dollars at the least level. This data is assembled through specialized study and examination, which assists you with choosing whether or not to contribute. Decentraland Token Price Prediction 2024. In the year 2024, it is normal that the value elements will be around $25.12 United States dollars toward the beginning of the year. It's conceivable that the cost will be $33.61 around mid-year. The cost may be $17 United States dollars before the year's over. Remember that these mana value expectations depend on the normal venture publicity later on. Mana Token Price Prediction 2025. Toward the start of the year could see a cost of around $46.28 United States dollars. Be that as it may, towards the center of the year, a value scope of $41.04 to $51.11 United States dollars might rule. The cost could drop to $10.19 United States dollars in the last a long time of the year. This data is refreshed after critical examination and investigation, providing you with a total image of the speculations to be made. Mana Future Price Prediction 2026. In the year 2026, we foresee the mana cost to hold between $62.2 United States dollars to $73 United States dollars. Obviously, the game will turn out to be an ever-increasing number of well-known in the forthcoming years, which implies the cost can go much higher. Is Decentraland a non-financial token, NFT? Decentraland is comprised of 90,601 property units estimating 16 times 16 meters. Each bundle is an NFT, and its position in the virtual world decides it. It likewise incorporates the proprietor's data. Is Decentraland scam or legit? As indicated by the reports, the token is veritable and dependable, and the dealers can without much of a stretch contribute. Decentraland is one of the most seasoned metaverse projects in the crypto world, which became renowned after the Facebook CEO showed his advantage in the metaverse. What is the future potential of Decentraland? Because of its rising openness in the NFT market, remarkable revenue sources, devoted local area, or moderate administration approach, Decentraland has a more promising time to come. It is perhaps of the most creative endeavor in its field and an early adopter of automated land. It has a developing diagram, which means development at a phenomenal level. Will Decentraland hit $100 United States dollars? Decentraland is one of the first metaverse projects which stood out of crypto financial backers. The present moment metaverse is in steady turn of events, and divs are passing on their best to keep the game locking in. As per Raoul Pal, Decentraland is a profoundly productive symbolic that can come to the $100 mark quiet in forthcoming years. Coming to $1,000 is an unreasonable objective for a